Welcome to techskillstutorial. Here today on this video episode, guys, we are going to just talk about how to make money as a scalp trader. So guys, without taking much time, I will be taking a buy order. I'll be taking a sell order before anything because I'm already on the profit side. So let me just I will take this profit, then I will explain. So guys, welcome to techskillstutorial. This is guy Johnson Kevin here today on this video episode. So guys, what I'm actually talking about today is how to make money as a scalp trader. I actually take a little money from scalping, accumulate it by the end of the month. I actually have no risk on trading scalping because I trade and I make up to 3k 5k every day. You understand, depending on the lot size you are using. So guys, you can see here I'll be closing my profits if I hit 50 cents. You understand, I'll be closing if I hit 50 cents. So just watch what I'm doing. I will close the trade. Just watch what is going to happen. I will explain everything well to you. So I don't want to take much time. On this video. Okay, don't be greedy. Close. I close it at 46. So guys, let me just take you over here. Right here on this video episode, I just want to show you the simple strategy how I found my scalping style of trading. I actually use some indicators which I will be sharing with you. Actually, I'm not a stingy guy. All you just have to do is just follow me if you really want to make money as a trader. But at first, this is a channel like where you get updated about making money online. Everything I post here is about making money online. At first of all, we are using the MetaTrader 5 to trade, and before you enter the market to trade, at first of all you have to apply some indicators, which is, let me show you my indicators that I'm using. I'm only using two indicators, relative strength index and the MACD. So for you to get these indicators is on your MetaTrader 5 app, but what matters most is how you can set it up and how you can know when to take your positions. It matters a lot. So guys, for you to take positions, I will give you the guidelines on how to set up these indicators on your MetaTrader 5. So what you have to do is check on the description below. You see everything necessary there, your guidelines that I'll be dropping. If you're interested also that if you need any further assistance, you can also hit me up on my email or my WhatsApp number. So guys, what I'm talking about here is how I do my scalping. Actually, this is the relative strength index. Why this is the MACD, this is the RSI. So what I actually do here is I wait for the RSI to go above the 65 moving average. You can see the 65 here. Then I will also wait for the MACD, the MACD red line to also actually go above 0.00. You understand? So if with the MACD is, for instance, use your marking star line like this to check it like this. You see right here, that's where I took my trade. So if it is minus, let's say it's here, let's say it was here, fine. You see it's 51, right? Or let's assume it was here. Sorry. Let me just show you something. All right, you can see right here, if the RSI being the black line goes up around above this 50 here, and the red moving average of the MACD is up, and the power supply, let me call it the power supply, is minus 1.39, just below anything 2. If it's below anything 2, this black number you're seeing here, minus 1 or minus 2, you take your sell order. It's going to go down. You take your sell order. Get my point again. Let me take I don't have my tools here on my screen. I should have shown you everything, but let me just put it again. This MACD line right here should go up and make sure it's reading minus 1 or 2%. You understand? Then the RSI relative strength index should go above this 65 moving average. Then you take your sell order. What I'm giving you is just a sell order. That is what I'm showing you. And make sure, as a scalper, make sure you use a lot size, the lowest lot size. That is what I'm using on my MetaTrader 5, the lowest lot size, 0.001. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will be dropping more guidelines for you on my description below. I will write down everything, how you can set it up, and the settings on how you can follow. So guys, let me show you the settings. So I won't bother much to write too much. If you didn't see it clear, then you go to the settings, my descriptions. Let me show it to you. This is how I do my settings. Very simple. This is my settings here. It's as easy. It's shocking, right? What matters most is if you can use it. If you can understand how I use it, you can see, right? Okay, you can see. Just capture it on your screenshots and do the best for yourself. So guys, if you don't really understand this video, you can still just, like I told you, chat me up. I'm going to give you a full guidelines. And do not forget, if you like this type of video I'm creating, guys, support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to always get notified when I upload new videos like this. I still remain Justin Kevin. Love you guys. See you on the next video episode. And do not forget to share this video and also like it. Okay, take care.